What happened to those alternative meat companies? In 2019, the alternative meat companies were all the rage. And remember Beyond Meat, which trades under the symbol BYND? Well, it was over $200 a share. Today, you can pick up a share of the stock for about $3 a share. The other popular alternative meat company was Impossible Foods. And even though they never went public, somehow they still raised around $2 billion in the private market. Still to this day, the company has not made a profit. The CEO, Peter McGinnis, says he still sees profits just a few years away, along with maybe an initial public offering known as an IPO. They're still fighting to try to build their companies, and they're now focused on what is known as flexitarians, which are people who occasionally include meat in their diet. They've also changed the packaging colors from green to, I love this, blood red. And they even hired a hot dog eating champion as a brand ambassador. They've added to their meat alternatives and now have steak bites, hot dogs, and even chicken tenders. The CEO does admit that the biggest problem is their taste, and they're currently on their 5th edition of burgers, and he feels they probably are going to need at least a couple more versions to perfect it. He does mention that there are still concerns about the health effects of highly processed foods, as well as higher food prices. Well, in my opinion, those are two big ones, and I just don't see how they will overcome them. I'm Brent Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.